Welcome to Rob Talks. Today we're talking tarot cards. Was this card meant to find you today? Maybe? Subscribe to this playlist as we take a journey into each of the tarot cards one by one and the meanings of the imagery and message they convey. Let's get started. Strength. Card number 8. The Strength card typically shows a woman gently holding open the jaws of a lion, an image that symbolizes the harmonious relationship between inner strength and calm composure. The woman often wears a white robe, symbolizing purity, and a garland of flowers or a crown, indicating her connection to nature and the divine. The lion represents raw, instinctual power, while the woman's gentle control over it symbolizes courage and self-discipline. The infinity sign above the head of the woman represents the concept of infinite potential and the boundless nature of the human spirit. It suggests that true strength comes from within and is not limited by external circumstances. This symbol often indicates the presence of inner courage, patience, and the ability to overcome obstacles through compassion and self-control, rather than force. The infinity symbol also implies an ongoing, eternal process of growth and understanding, encouraging the seeker to tap into their limitless inner power. As a side note, the infinity sign only appears twice in all the tarot cards, this one and also on the Magician. This card is about inner strength. This card represents the power of inner strength, courage, and resilience. It suggests overcoming obstacles not by force but through patience, understanding, and composure. It's also about compassion and gentleness. Strength also emphasizes the power of compassion, urging you to approach challenges with kindness and empathy rather than aggression. Lastly, it speaks of self-mastery. The Strength card reflects self-control and the ability to manage one's emotions and instincts, particularly in difficult situations. We hope you enjoyed this message. Did it resonate with you? If so, please leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe. Thank you.